Ngina kuona teora wari murini wa Vice wa Chancellor ndeni University achuka Professor Erastus Njoka na Tarareti University ni batirene ndi kwithira ikyambira emirandi mwanya kenda bayiguna BUBU KIGHINA awitete bobo ya thukuru ikwithira nindi getera kona mbecha kuma kithirikari nonto chiongo no chithira ikyambira manto yo yakoichonera mbecha. Martin Mugambi na kulikithia.
Professor Erastus Njoka urari munini wa Chancellor kiri University achuka na thereti ati ma university mari na kagita kaumo mara maukurukira nuntu bathina ya mbecha. Ara Njoka mauritie gwichiria na nkinya guchora kura baomba kuruta mbecha ire itaecha kithirikari.
I would like to say that there are a lot of challenges these days, and we need universities to look for money from elsewhere through units that will produce money to sustain the staff and even the constructions which go on, buying of equipment, lab equipment, which is very costly. So a lot of work has to be done. Universities have to do proper investments.
Njoka aliuga ma university no maringe biashara ago kurukira motungata maraba omba kwethura bakinenkanira na tigo gunkinya kwebendia akiri nthiguru cianja kiuga ka nthiguru ira nyingi ire na university itari na inya na kwoguo aritono abathungire kiri university ire nthiguru ya Kenya.
They can even buy houses the way I bought a building in Nairobi and get rent. That rent can subsidize the money they get from the government. We are surrounded by countries with very weak universities, so we can use that opportunity to advertise there, work with the government, with the Ministry of Immigration, and then students can come from other places and they can boost the economic status of our institutions.
Kiongera liugo chunkoni na nkinyo thondeki bointo bijeru boga tetheria university cia nthiguru ya Kenya gwichwira mbecha.
Otherwise, things will be burnt if it is not done like that, because so many things have to be done. At the first, universities were meant to teach, do research, and go to the field. That is how we were cheated by the colonialists. They didn't tell us there were other two things that were needed. That is innovation. If our universities are innovative, they can sell their discoveries to other places.
Umaniana kirira gikikyo Njoka ugite weka gita kararugamirite university achuka toroko bambecha cia waki kana cioguri bo intonwa biriko bia university inu.
When I left the university, I never left it with any debt, and I never borrowed any money for the construction of anything. I was using the money that we generated. I made sure that that money was used properly. It was used prudently, and it happened. We were not using money for things that do not matter.
Kiripotera Wero TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara mbitagwa Martin Mugambi.